Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Akanksha and you're watching my channel Absolutely AK. So guys, I would really appreciate it if you subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet, and also do press the bell icon so that you're notified for the video every time I upload one. So guys, today on the occasion of International Lipstick Day, I thought why not do a video on lipsticks. And जैसा कि आप लोगों को पता है कि I love wearing lipsticks. Like lipsticks are my go-to makeup product. इट्स ओके अगर मैंने फाउंडेशन नहीं लगाया, इट्स ओके अगर मैंने आई लैशेस पे मस्कारा नहीं लगाया है, इट्स ओके इफ आई डोंट डू माई आई लाइनर, इट्स ओके इफ आई डोंट डू एनीथिंग, बट I need a lipstick. Even though it is a subtle color or a dark color, I just love lipsticks, okay? So you must have seen मेरे जितने भी videos I'm always making sure that I am at least putting on a lipstick. I don't do fancy makeup, but I do definitely wear a lipstick. So guys, आज का whole video is also about lipsticks, wherein I will be showing you all this amazing packet that I've got. It's a 9-shade lipstick package. It's the Revlon travel kit. So guys, when I was traveling for one of my vacations, I got this package because it's a travel collection. These are mini lipsticks. They're not the full size lipsticks, but it's amazing because they have like all shades that you would need. I just hope you guys can see it. It has all the shades that you need in one box, and it's not even like super expensive because it's not like a MAC or a Bobbi Brown or a Huda Beauty or a Smashbox. It's not one of those expensive brands. So like I always tell you, I like doing budget shopping, and I like doing things which are good to the purse as well as good on your face. So why not show you all the colors and also swatch it for you and also show you the color on my hands. Basically, this was the packaging. This is how it looks like. It looks like this. It is in 9 colors, and when you open it, it's going to look like this. You can see all the colors inside. I haven't been using all of them as yet because I already had my stock going on for lipstick, so I didn't want to like switch to these, and I want to keep it for when I travel. So चलिए शुरू करते हैं. I'll swatch it and I will show you how it looks like.
So guys, starting with the first shade and also my favorite shade, it's a red shade. It's in the name is 740 Certainly Red, and this is like without doubt, if anyone knows me, they will know that I love putting on like reds, pinks and oranges. Like I love the darker shades or the darker tones, and that's the reason why one of my personal favorites. Let me just swatch it out for you. Okay. So like you can see, can you see it? Oops. Can you see it? This is the shade and it's amazing. You can buy it individually also. That's the reason why I'm showing you all these. Alright. The next shade that I like is this peachish. It's a nude peach and it's in the name Lover's Coral. So I think this is an interesting shade and I would love to try it on. I am going to swatch it for you. 1 second. I'm going to swatch it for you and show it to you guys how it looks like. The texture is also very nice. It's very creamy, very soft on the lips. Okay, I think this should be good enough for you all to see. Can you see this shade? I think I'll have to bring it right at the middle. Yeah, can you see it? It's such a nice creamy shade, very corally, and like I just feel it's so soft and smooth and you can wear it every day. So this is like a day-to-day wear kind of a lipstick. So I love this one also. The third one that I liked from this travel packet is this. It's a pinkish shade. The name is Soft Silver Rose. So Soft Silver Rose is also definitely a very nice shade. And guys, don't worry, I am definitely going to put it up on the in the description box. The name, the colors. Can you all see it? Ooh, nice. So this is Soft Lovers Rose. then we have, no, the next favorite is a darker shade, and it's a shade of purple and pink. So it goes by the name Wild Orchid, and let me swatch it for y'all. Woohoo! Can you see it? They look like sketch pens, they look like paints, you know. They're like such amazing texture, very soft and very velvety. So yeah, this one's that. The next one that I have and I like is this, and again it's something that you can wear every day. It's a day-to-day wear. It's kissable pink, so you know you can wear this and go and give your husband or your boyfriend a nice kiss. Okay, very light, of course. Very easy to wear, day-to-day color. I wish you can see. So basically, if you see this and this, these two colors are like very light, and you can, you can merge them with different lipsticks also. So you can pair them up with different lipsticks. So the great part about lipsticks are that you don't have to like very light, and you can, you can merge them with different lipsticks also. So you can pair them up with different lipsticks. So the great mix like a lot of colors to get the right tone that I want with whatever dress that I'm wearing. Okay, the next three lipsticks that I have, that's these. Now these are the shades of brown, okay, and I am not so fond of brown shades on my skin tone, or rather you can say that I'm not comfortable with the brown shades of lipsticks, but still I'm gonna like swatch it for y'all and show it to y'all, and then let me know once I try it out. Let me know if it looks y'all and show it to y'all, and then let me know once I try it out. Let me know if it looks good on me. I mean, I think it should look good because this color apparently is looking very nice on my skin. Can you see it? I think it's looking very nice on the skin. We have this real dark goth lipstick. I don't know who wears this. I am definitely not into this kind of a color. Can you see it? But now that I see it on camera, on my skin tone, it looks good. And I think I should try it out. Let me know if I should or not, okay? So this one's that. Then we have this. I would have actually given this a try because this is, ये इतना ज़्यादा भड़कीला नहीं है, and it's not very dark, it's not very light. I think it should go. I'm gonna swatch it right here. Okay, I think the color is looking, oh my god, I'm actually falling in love with this shade also. Can you see it? It's not that bad. It's really nice. Yeah, it's looking good. Okay. The next one that we have is thoda sa metallic. I don't know if this is going to look good on me, but let's check it out. Ooh, not bad. I've done the. Can you even see it? I think it's hardly visible. I think it dikh raha bhi nahi hai. Now guys, can you all see? Woohoo! Yes. So guys, these were all the lipsticks. Okay, all of them. I'm gonna show each one to you on my lips as well. So wait for the try on.
So guys, I really hope you like the video and you like the shades. Tell me which one is your favorite lipstick shade. Also, I would love to know which is your makeup, which makeup is like your go-to thing. Like, do you like foundation? Do you like eyeliner? Do you like lipsticks? Which one of the makeup product is your go-to thing? इसके बिना तो आप घर के बाहर ही नहीं निकल सकते. And why not we make this more interactive and let's figure out who likes what. So guys, please do put it in the comment box as to which product is your favorite, since mine is lipsticks and you all know that. And if you like the video, do give it a like. Also share it with your friends and do not forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so that you're notified for a video every time I upload one.